Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about buy Tesla stock on etoro. So you will learn that how you can buy this stock and how this stock will be beneficial for us. So to place a trade for Tesla on etoro, investor can navigate to a menu of stocks. From there, they can select or search for Tesla and click on the ticket symbol to view the chart and other relevant information. So, how I can trade in Tesla in etoro? To buy Tesla stock on etoro, click on the trade button on the Tesla page. This will bring up a trade ticket where you can put the amount that you want to invest in the stock at this time. In addition, you have the option of establishing a take profit or stop loss order in order to control your risk. So now you will see that if you want to buy Tesla stock, you will need to find a good online broker, open a brokerage account and deposit the necessary funds in your. So can I buy Tesla shares directly? No, you cannot buy Tesla shares directly from the Tesla. You need to buy Tesla stock through a broker. If you don't already have Tesla, so you don't need to buy it, but it will be very good for us to buy if you have a Tesla. Can I open can I open a shares or any type of Tesla? So where can I buy a share of Tesla? To buy shares of Tesla, you must have a brokerage amount. If you need to open one, here are some of best rated brokers and trading platforms. This step-by-step guide will show you how to buy Tesla stock using the 5-star rated platform Fidelity. Fidelity makes it easy to buy stocks. How much is a Tesla to buy a share? Days range 255, 52 weeks range 101, volume 161,796,073. So is it good to buy a Tesla stock? Yes, Tesla has been a strong performance, so you can buy Tesla stock from etoro. It has strong performance in the past, although it has faced some difficulties in the past years. Analysts are too optimistic about its futures. In a Nasdaq analysis of recommendations from 33 analysts, Tesla has a buy recommendation, so you can buy it without any hesitation. So guys, I hope you will like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.